Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you the result of our new development, Japanese to English dash conversion of the Mazda CX-8. All menus and notification messages in its color instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change it to English. Instrument cluster displays statistics, notifications, and maintenance reminders. We managed to reprogram it. Apart from normal driving conditions, any error messages will now pop up in English as well. Some latest Mazda imports from Japan have selection of English interface in its head unit. However, the Japanese firmware does not support voice commands in English, and it does not support New Zealand navigation standards. We can reprogram it to New Zealand standards, and it will support voice commands in English, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Thank you for watching.